Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have yet another unboxing. This is my second part of what I got for Christmas. Sorry guys, this is a long overdue video. I got sick after I returned from Vegas, and until now you can hear my raspy voice. My voice is not back yet. Actually the last day in Vegas I got sick, and it's been 1 week since then. I'm still recovering, so I decided today to do this video because it's been 1 week already and I don't want you guys to wait for that long. So I'm going to do it anyway. Please excuse my voice. So in my first part video I told you guys that I'm going to go to Hermes to get something from there. I went there on Christmas Day and they were closed that day, and I didn't have enough time for next day to go back to Hermes to get the items. So what I did instead, I went to Dior and I got something from there, and I'm going to unbox this one first and then this one. So let's unbox this one first. I didn't get any holiday packaging for the shopping bag, and he didn't even put the receipt in the envelope. It's just the receipt. Let me show you the item and then I'm going to show you the price. But he gave me the holiday packaging box. At least I got the box, and here it is. Just beautiful box. And this is a pair of travel earrings. I have one pair in the black, and this is the one I decided to get this time. It comes in this pouch. It has two different compartments, and the pair I got are these beautiful pearl earrings, and it has the top part has pearl and crystals. You can see these are not identical, but the back is identical. And I have this pair in the black. I can mix and match also with the front and back. And let me show you guys how they look on the ear. And I want to let you guys know that these are final sale for all the costume jewelry in Dior. They are final sale, so before you buy them you guys should check them, because you can't return them or exchange them. Here you can see they put the stamp. It says final sale. Total price $519. So let me try these on and show you guys how they look on the ear. And I love my black pair so much, the one I have. I decided to go with the white one. In the store they had the golden, I think it's called canage or something. I don't know the exact name, but I decided to go with the white one. And this is the pearl one, the top pearl. And let me try the crystal one on the other side. Here is the other pair. This has the crystal. Can you see? And this has the pearl. I hope you can see. And I always wear my black one, so I thought I'm going to wear them a lot, and yeah, these are just classic pearls. They will go with everything. Yeah, so those are my earrings, and this is the Hermes item I showed you guys in the last video, and this is my first leather item from Hermes. And these items are very hard to find, guys. If you have something in mind, like some color choice, then these are very hard to find, because I think they produce them in limited quantities. So if you have something in mind, you may not get that in the store. I also wanted something else, and I got something else. Let me open and show you guys, then I'm going to talk about that. Here is the packaging. So I went to Hermes with 3 items in mind, and I only got 1 item because, like I said, it's very hard to find Hermes item in the boutique. If you find them online also, you may not find them in the boutique. So I'm thinking of getting them online from now on, because in the boutique the selections are very low. So this is my first leather item from Hermes, and this is this beautiful Calvi card holder, which has this green interior, and the upper part is gray, taupe gray. Let me check the receipt. What is the color? I have no idea. So this is the name. I don't know how to show you guys. My information is there. So this is the name of this card holder. And the color, I think. And the price for this one is $335, and the tax is $27. So total price is $362.64. And I don't know what is this leather name. I think the name of this leather is Epsom leather. Yeah, so this is the card holder I got from Hermes. I wanted one in this color, orange color, but they didn't have that in the Win store. And then I went to Bellagio. They didn't have anything, whatever I wanted, they didn't have those items. So, and also I was looking for a what is the bag name? Eileen. Yeah, the crossbody one, Eileen mini bag. And I was looking for this bracelet, Rival, in the orange color, but they didn't have that in my size and the color combination I wanted. So yeah, those are the items I wanted from Hermes, but they didn't have those. That's the reason why I got a pair of earrings. And also I went to Alex and Annie, and I got 2 bracelets. And these are the bracelets I got. Let me show you guys. So I got one in Cosmic Balance. I don't know what is this works for. I don't know what is cosmic balance. What is the meaning of cosmic balance? It says oneness, alignment, and celestial. I don't know, but this is how it looks. And the next one I got is this one. And this has rose gold, silver, and yellow gold, so I can mix and match with this rose gold, and I can mix and match with any silver jewelry or any gold jewelry. And this was full price. Let me check the price. So this was $38 and this was 50% off, so I got this for $16, and total I paid $58.46. Yeah, so that was a small haul, guys. I hope you liked my haul. If you did, please give me a like, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. That means a lot to me. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.